Hello, and today we are going to be making our favorite Halloween treat. Are you guys ready? Oh, snap. Yeah, Halloween treats. Today we're going to be making, what are we going to make? Banana Ghost Pops, yes. So this is one of the easiest Halloween treats you can be making. So easy, right? Even Jimmy, who's not even 2 yet, can make this. So basically you just need yogurt and, what's this ingredient, guys? Bananas! So we need yogurt, bananas. You can use a skewer. You can either use a skewer or you can use, I took paper straws here to be our sticks, just because certain people over here can't be trusted with a skewer. So what you're gonna do is you simply take a banana, and we're gonna peel the banana. Everybody ready? Oh, you ate all your yogurt. Now I'll have to share with Joey. Okay, that was the ingredient for dipping. All right, put it down. Okay, so we're gonna take a banana and you just simply cut it in half. So you're gonna have 2 equal parts. That is gonna make your banana pops. So Joey, you got your stick? Where's your stick? Okay, so Joey's gonna take his stick and we're gonna put it right here into the banana to make a pop. See that? All right, so now what Joey's gonna do is he just has some yogurt and he's gonna take a vanilla Greek yogurt and watch what I'm gonna do. I know it's already white, but this makes it more white. He's just gonna spread the Greek yogurt on the banana, and then we're gonna lay it on wax paper, decorate a ghost face, and freeze them. And when they're done in the freezer, we can eat them like frozen pops, lollipops, whatever you wanna call them. It's a delicious, Dum Dum Pops, sure. It's a delicious Halloween treat, and it's so easy, just like that. So Joey, here, Joey, here, put this down and finish decorating yours with the yogurt, okay? Just like Mommy showed. Come on, you do it. All right, I will do it. Okay. So now we have his ghost pop is decorated, and now we're gonna do Jimmy's. We're just gonna take, look, your stick, you're gonna put it in. You wanna hold your banana pop?
No.
No? Okay, so no one wants to hold their banana pops. All right. The part they're gonna love is the decorating the faces. Okay, you can have some more yogurt in a second. So you can see how simple this is. You could either roll it, or I just like to do it with a spoon up and down. Yes. All right, so you have a really easy decorated banana pop. You're gonna lay it on the wax paper, and then we're simply gonna use either edible eyeballs or chocolate chips to decorate the face. Once we have the faces decorated, we are gonna put them in the freezer about an hour or 2, and when they harden, they're ready to eat.
Mommy,
So,
I want mine to be all chocolate chips.
all chocolate chips. Are you ready to see what it come out after they're in the freezer? Are we ready to see it? Are we ready? All right, hold on. And we have Ghost Pops! See how cute they are? All right. Who wants to try them?
Why is there one big stick?
Because I didn't cut that stick. All right, give it a try. See what you think. You like it? Don't you and cheese. Is it good? Is it good? So what do we say? Do we give them thumbs up? Thumbs up! Yay! High five! High five for banana pops. High five. All right.
No, you did high up.
Hi, Bops. So it's our easy banana pop treat. So easy to make. You can make these for any kind of party. You can make them for a class party if you're having a Halloween party, or just a healthier Halloween treat without so much added sugar. All right, so can we say Happy Halloween, everybody?
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!